In this lecture, I want to talk about divs that I tag in HTML section. Today, I want to focus on it and style it with CSS. The div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. Div tag is used to group block elements to format them with CSS. The div element is very often used together with CSS to lay out a web page. By default, browsers always place an inline break before and after div element. However, this can be changed with CSS. I delete this one. Okay. And create a new paragraph. This is some text. Okay. I create a new section with div tag. A new section, I create a new h1 header. This is a heading in div tag. And create a new paragraph. This is a paragraph in div tag. Save, refresh. Okay. I want to change the div tag color. Change the color of this section. Okay. Type div, open curly bracket, and color. And blue color. Save. This is a heading in div tag, and this is a paragraph in div tag. Both of them, the color of both of them changed. Okay. If I set background color to red, you see the background color of this section change, and separate my section from p tag, and this paragraph is not in my div tag, and the color doesn't change to, for example, red one. One of the best add-ons for Chrome to choose your color is ColorZilla. This is a color that you can choose your color. You can download it, ColorZilla add-ons. click on ColorZilla add-ons for Chrome. This one. If you change just ColorZilla and for Chrome install, then you can, for example, you can page color picker active. You can pick this one color, this one color, and this one color, and then paste it here. Save, refresh. Beautiful. Okay, I will see you in the next